uMadloma had to tell Nhloso to stop phoning her because uNhloso busy emgcina uNdaba He even offered that he must come stay with him. UDinhle athi nope, not here. Bridget asked Victor to go for an HIV test, and Kirwan is not happy that Utsidi proposed at her event. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Tutuko went to see Mthunzi, telling him to stop preying on his mom because she's vulnerable. He's taking advantage of her. But Mthunzi is like, nope, I'm not. That's not what I'm doing. I love your mom. Ngisemathandweni Tutoye was like, you know what, uyanginyanyisa Mthunzi. I can't believe that you've been talking about a woman that you love. And all this time you've been talking about my mom. Ngapha uNhloso busy ucika uMadlomo, busy phoning her, asking what's happening on Tutuko. Ulihle said that he didn't come home. What's happening? Madlomo was like, we just had a disagreement. Disagreement ngani? uNhloso wants to know what was it about. But obviously Madlomo cannot tell him. And then decided to say, my phone is ringing. Let me answer my call. Ayiwacikeka uNhloso. Kanti uMthunzi is the one calling, telling uMadlomo ukuthi uNtutuko was here. And the next thing, saying that he was here, but he was not drinking. So Madlomo at least is relieved. But he was just upset about this whole thing. Ega Madlomo nomthunzi. And then Unhloso phones again. Umadlomo was like, you know what? Man, just stop phoning me. I told you I'm gonna let you know when Tutuko comes home. When he heard Mthunzi, he was not happy, saying, how can you let him Tutuko close to Mthunzi, knowing the kind of person that he is. Umadlomo athi awuyekungifonela wena mana kancane. And then Mthunzi went to sue Madlomo, telling her ukuthi Tutuko is a bit skeptical about the relationship, but it's because he's still young. He's going to understand mabona ukuthi Mthunzi is serious ngoMadlomo. And then Nhloso is busy trying to phone Tutuko, and Udinhle catches him offering that Tutuko can come stay with him in the meantime. Udinhle says, nope, it's not going to happen. Not here. Tutuko is a boy. I have girls. Nhloso was not happy about that because it's like Udinhle saying he cannot be there for his children. And then Tutuko came home. Khuluma nomawakhe athi yena is just back nje to get his stuff. He's moving out. Yokuhlala nomngane wakhe until he gets his own place. Umawakhe athi so when every time there's something you're going to run away, uyabaleka. Athi angikwazi ukuhlala la unless you stop this thing that you're doing with Mthunzi, because Mthunzi is using you, he's taking advantage of you. Umawakhe waqasuka wathi yazini Tutuko, if you want to leave. So mina I don't deserve to be loved. Mawufuna ukuhamba awuhambe ke. And then I realized hayi ecela ukudelela mom. And then he goes to see Mthunzi again to tell him that to warn him actually ukuthi if he ever hurts or breaks his mom's heart uzombona kahle. But Mthunzi like, don't worry, your mom's heart is safe with me. Ngizomphatha kahle, ngiyamthanda. The next thing Mthunzi sakhuluma Madlomo efonini, that guy we got disibenzela Rex comes, shows up at the door saying, do you remember me when I made I remember that time when Mthunzi bombed the place and one person escaped, this guy wabaleka. Now Mthunzi must pay up. What a mess. I hope he does not drag Madlomo to his scandals. And then Kirwan is not happy that Sidi proposed to divert at her lower negotiations, saying that she stole her spotlight and she's not happy about that. But Utsidi does not say anything wrong with that. And Utsidi seemed to have tricked Divide into agreeing to marry her because Ute uzovuma ukuhamba eFreiburg while she knows she doesn't want to go back to Freiburg. And then Vuvu told Victor that she wants them to go have an HIV test before they start the relationship because it's a responsible thing to do. Victor did not hesitate. Now Bridget is confused because since this guy agreed, does it mean he seemed confident? Now she's telling Tlohoro, what if the test comes up positive? What am I going to do? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.